Look at this thing, the flare red color, the entire electric scissor doors. It doesn't just call for attention, it commands attention on the road. Now, MG calls it the spiritual successor of MGB Roadster. It's a beautiful vehicle. Today we are taking it for a drive. I'll let you know how I feel about driving it. All right, so let's speak about look, feel and design and the presence of this car on the road. Now, as soon as you take the wheel, you will notice that you are the center of all the attention on the road. You know, all eyes are on this car as I'm driving through the streets of Mumbai. And let me tell you, first, it's red color, and then the on-road presence, like it's 4.5 meters long and approximately 2 meters wide. It has quite a sizable presence on the road too, and then the roof drops and it adds to the whole drama. As I mentioned, it's quite a looker and center of attention. Everyone is watching us as we drive through the streets. The design is a triumph of aerodynamics, boasting an ultra-slippery drag coefficient of just 0.26 CD. Up front, the swooping hood and sharp LED headlights flow into deeply sculpted front apron designed to guide airflow around massive 20-inch alloy wheels. But move to the side profile and those Lamborghini-style powered scissor doors steal all the headlines, opening at the press of a button with built-in proximity sensors to avoid hitting nearby obstacles. Once inside, you are wrapped in a deeply driver-focused fighter jet-style cockpit. Inside the vehicle, let me tell you first, there is a curved display right in front of you. Of course, you can figure out how much of battery is left. You can browse through and navigate through all your temperature controls, your air conditioning, energy consumption, charging, etc. on the right-hand side of the screen right here. When you want to take reverse, of course, you can view the image on the right-hand side on this display over here, right? Here on the curved display. And then, of course, there is a display over here where, you can tap between different modes, over here. The seating arrangements, etc. can also be controlled over here. So it feels sort of like a cockpit, very advanced, very touch screen. It doesn't feel like a traditional vehicle at all. But notice something interesting. Because of the 77 kilowatt hour battery pack sitting right under the floor, you sit slightly higher than you would in a traditional gas-powered sports car like BMW Z4. Now, to activate the roof, either to open it or to shut it, there is this button that you need to hold it. Since I have to shut the roof, all I need to do is hold it. It's not a one-touch button. You need to hold it constantly for the roof to, in fact, drop or open, as you can see right now. Feature-wise, you get powered sports seats, dual-zone climate control, camera-based ADAS safety tech, and an 8-speaker Bose sound system. Up top, the fabric roof unfolds down electronically in just 10 seconds at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, letting the open air right into the cabin. All right, so time for some caution, I must tell you. There is a red button over here that activates the Super Sport mode. 510 horsepower, 720 Newton meters of electric torque. You're going to fly and enjoy the ride. MG Cyberster claims 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a staggering 3.2 seconds with a top speed capped at 200 kilometers per hour. In real world V-Box testing on a damped surface, it dispatched 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.69 seconds, making this easily the fastest production vehicle to ever wear the MG badge. Power comes from a dual motor setup feeding off an ultra-thin 110mm battery pack nestled low in chassis to keep the center of the gravity as low as possible. Anchor duties are handled by massive Brembo brakes that provide immense stopping power, though pedal modulation feels slightly synthetic due to regenerative braking integration under the skin. That 77 kilowatt-hour nickel-manganese cobalt battery delivers an MIDC certified range of up to 580 kilometers on full charge. When it comes time to juice up, the Cyberster supports 144 kilowatt DC fast charging, replenishing the battery from 10 to 80% in roughly 40 minutes. Now, if you're expecting an ultra-light sports car, then let me tell you, this is a 2-ton beast. I thoroughly enjoyed driving it. The 510 horsepower is a pure delight. On road, it feels amazing. In fact, it comes at an on-road price of 75 to 82 lakh on road. Undercuts all the traditional roadsters available in the market. It's electric, it's beautiful to drive, and I thoroughly enjoyed the experience. Inside, there is a gorgeous digital cockpit kind of experience that you get. Put the roof down, open the scissor doors. It feels like you are driving a Lamborghini on Mumbai roads.